Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. I am your Max tutor Subramanian. So we are doing vector algebra 12th Max previous year CBSE board sums children. So now we have to continuing the question. Actually this is our video number 6. So already 45 sums we have solved all our board questions. So kindly go through playlist available in the description even in our channel Max Plus U. So now we are doing 46th. Actually, not only 46th question, children, 48th question also same. In the worksheet life, you see, na, this both the questions actually repeated. Write the projection of vector. Projection, itself you know. What's that projection formula? A vector, projection of A vector on B vector. Na? A vector dot B vector by magnitude of B vector. So that's what projection of A vector and B vector only they have asked. Like that now. Kindly read it. They are talking about projection of vector what b plus c on a. Okay, well, we have to do the projection of what, children? B plus c on a. That means a dot b na a vector on b vector na a dot b by magnitude of b vector. That means just a dot product of both by magnitude of the second one. So here b plus c vector dot a vector by magnitude of a vector. Then find b plus c. Add I cap and 2i cap you add and getting 3i cap. 2j cap and minus j cap you subtract and get plus j cap. Minus 2k cap and 4k cap you subtract and get plus 2k cap. Clear? Check mark. After that, b plus c vector dot a vector. So dot product we all know, children. So what we going to do it? We going to multiply 3 and 2. We know I cap dot I cap is 1. And we all know I cap dot j cap is 0. So I cap dot I cap 3 2s are 6. Then 1 into minus 2. Then plus 2 into 1. So 3 2s are 6. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Then plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled and it will be 6. Then magnitude of A vector root over 2 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square. So root over 4 plus 1, that is nothing but root 9. That is nothing but 3. So we got separately, children. B plus C dot A we found a magnitude of A vector we found and we have to substitute the B plus C dot A is 6. Magnitude of A is 3. Both you divide and get 2. There is no necessary, children. Always you want to do separately. Na? I have done separately for your better understanding. Directly also you can substitute in the formula and get the answer. Clear? Check for doubts is there. Now you can ask me. Now 47A ma again important. So you can easily see how we are doing this question. So the 46th question was 2 mark. Now this is the 3 mark question. Okay, so that question also you can just see how we have done. Okay, go for next question. A vector, B vector, C vector are the 3 vectors such that what A dot B equals to A dot C and A vector cross B vector equals to A vector cross C vector. What we should show now? B vector equals to C vector we should show. So can we write A vector dot B vector equals to A vector dot C vector. Children, plus A dot C goes the same number. Minus A vector dot C vector. Then anything we can take common. Ma? Can we take A vector common? If we are taking A vector out, then B will be balanced minus C will be balanced. For writing this off mark, children. So A vector dot B minus C equal to 0. You itself know. When two vectors dot product is 0 now. So we have some chances. One is the first one equal to 0. It can be A vector 0 or it can be B vector 0 or it can be A vector perpendicular to B vector. Usually question la A vector 0, B vector 0 we are not preferring because question itself A vector, B vector they will give in the question and that is not equal to 0. Some other vectors will be there. Non-zero vectors will be there. So we won't consider A0, B0. Directa we will say both are perpendicular, go like that only we will do. But since we don't know the vector whether this is 0 vector or non-zero vector, So we are writing A vector can be 0. Or B vector minus C vector equal to 0 means minus C goes at sign of plus C, B vector equal to C vector. Or A vector perpendicular to B minus C. So when anything dot product is 0, so the first one can be 0, first vector, or second vector can be 0, or both the vectors can be perpendicular. So, and we are giving here A vector not equal to 0, that is given in the question. So this is not accepted. So A vector 0 is not accepted. So only two options. One is B vector equal to C vector, or both vector are perpendicular. Any one. One is both are equal, B vector equal to C vector, or A vector perpendicular to B minus C. Any one only option. Same way, go for the next one. What's our next one? A cross B equals to A cross C. Plus A cross C goes the sign of children. Minus A cross C. A vector take common. Once A vector you take common, B minus C will come. Again, A cross B. You know, when two vectors A cross B 0, either A vector 0 or B vector 0 or both are parallel. Children, parallel one condition I hope you know. So A vector parallel to B vector. So in that way A0, B vector equal to C vector are parallel. So A not equal to 0 again from the given. So A cannot be equal to 0. This is not applicable. So B vector equal to C vector or A vector parallel to B minus C. For writing this 1 mark C children, then what we going to do now? Yeah, from the first equation, second equation. There also we are saying perpendicular. A can be perpendicular to B minus C. Here we are saying A is parallel to B minus C. How this is possible? Common both the place B vector equal to C vector is given. So that is the answer. I hope you understand. First equation they are saying B is equal to B vector C vector or both are perpendicular. Here B vector equal to C vector or both are parallel. How the single vector will be perpendicular and parallel? So that is not possible. So B vector equal to C vector, we are closing the sum. Important 3 marks. See children, B vector, C vector, writing off. Here concluding you are doing now. B, C are parallel for that 1 mark. Here you are doing no. B equal to C are perpendicular for that 1 mark. And writing this off mark. So easier 3 marks. Now 47 BPA. This model already we have done in 35th question. That model only. They have given A, B, C are 3 vectors, but the vectors are different. Magnitude of A 3, magnitude of B 5, magnitude of C 4, and A plus B plus C is 0. Like this they given kindly do the squaring on both sides. How sir I know to do? Like that don't ask. You should do squaring on both sides to get the other values, to get A dot B, B dot C, C dot A. Then only you can find the value. Simply A plus B plus C whole square formula. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus magnitude of C square plus 2 into A vector dot B vector plus 2 into B vector dot C vector plus 2 into C vector dot A vector. Substitute the value pa. This is 3 pa. This is 5. This is 4. So 3 square plus 5 square plus 4 square. 2 into we equate with 0. Once you have done this, now what you going to do it now? You going to add all the things. 9 plus 25 plus 16, we got plus 50. Plus 50 goes that sign, children. Minus 50. And multiplication 2 come this sign, division. I already done, we have done this model in the 35th question. So answer is minus 25. Sum over. See children, this also they have asked in 3 mark. Final answer half. Writing this step 1. And the before step is there la. What step? For just writing whole square, squaring on both sides. For that half and writing this proper formula for that 1 mark. So easy. So like this question comes, kindly utilize and get the 3 marks. Then 49A. This is also one of the nice and favorite questions now. Why now? A magnitude of A cross B whole square plus A vector dot B vector square equals to 400. Magnitude of B is 5. How to find the value of determinant A? Children, we know magnitude of A cross B formula, magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, sine theta. Then A vector dot B vector formula, if you see now, what? Normally A dot B, you know, magnitude of A, magnitude of B is cos theta. Even magnitude you written also the same. So why sir you are doing this two definition, cross product definition, dot product definition? Why sir we are doing now? They have given you this data. A vector cross B vector, that magnitude square, plus A vector dot B vector magnitude square is 400. Because for this data satisfies, we are finding this separately. Then apply, children. What we going to do it now? For this magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square, sine theta. So sine square theta. For this magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square, cos theta, cos square theta. So that itself carries 1 mark, you see. Then magnitude of A we don't know, but magnitude of B is 5, children. 5 square. Then sine square theta. Magnitude of A square, again here 5 square, cos square theta. So magnitude of A square of 5 square 25 and take common. Take sine square theta plus cos square theta. What is sine square theta plus cos square theta now? 1. Once you are getting this value, then you get multiplication 25 goes that side now, division. Then 25 for writing this step half mark. Then 25 and 400 you cancel, get 16. So magnitude of A is 4. Like that you are writing now another half mark. So this actually 2 mark question. So properly substitute and get the answer. It's very easy sum if you know both the formula properly. Go through doubt is then ask me, children. The next question, this what may be this type of question was there, I think so, like a collinear that way. But anyway, this is another way we are doing. Find all the possible vectors of the magnitude 5 root 3 which are equally inclined to the coordinate axis. Since they have given equally inclined, we are taking the vector xi plus xj plus xk. Actually, what we will take? R vector equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, then we will take. Here we are taking both, all the three are equal, since they have said it is equally inclined. Okay, go for it. Magnitude is 5 root 3. So, since magnitude 5 root 3, magnitude of xi plus xj plus xk equals to 5 root 3, right? Then what, children? Magnitude of root over a square plus b square plus c square. Here all same. Like root over a square plus a square plus a square. Here that place like x is there. So x square plus x square plus x square. That is nothing but root over 3x square. 5 root 3, to remove the root, we are doing squaring on both sides, children. Then square and square root gets cancelled. Getting 3x square equals to. Can you tell me what is 5 square? 25. What is root 3 square? 3. So this 3 and 3 can be removed. Just simplification, nothing else. So x square is 25 now. X is plus or minus 5. What pa we are doing? Magnitude given pa 5 root 3. Then doing magnitude formula pa. Left hand side doing right hand side 5 root 3. To remove the square root, do squaring on both sides. Then simplify, get the value of x square. Then 25, x is plus or minus 5. Therefore, the possible vectors, children, positive 5i plus 5j plus 5k, or minus 5i minus 5j minus 5k. This is also important 2 marks. You can go through these steps off, and 4 off. Now 50th question pa. So here how we have to do. This is 3 mark question ma. This is also nice. They can expect A and B are two vectors equal magnitude. Alpha is the angle between them. Prove that magnitude of A plus B by magnitude of A minus B equal to cot alpha by 2. Since alpha is the angle between them, we should know like A plus B whole square formula, children. What is that now? Magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2AB. Actually 2AB no 2A vector dot B vector தான் coming. But that ஓட definitionல magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta ன்னு வரும். Here they said alpha is the angle. So cos alpha. I hope you understand. The step how we got A square plus B square plus 2AB will come. What is A vector dot B vector? Magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector cos alpha. Then magnitude of A minus B whole square ku magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square minus 2 magnitude of A magnitude of B cos alpha. LHS you write. Then we have to do squaring on both sides in the we are taking itself squaring. Like how we have done this, we know that like that we are taking here, and Apply. When we are applying, magnitude of a square, magnitude of b square, 2ab, again magnitude of a square, magnitude of a square minus 2ab. Since a, b are equal magnitude, magnitude of a equals to magnitude of b equals to m. So that place m square, again this place m square plus 2 into m into cos alpha by m square minus 2 into m cos alpha. So what is m square plus m square na? 2m square. First this step understood appa. Why sir m? Like that na? Both are equal magnitude appa. Equal magnitude na anything we can write. So that place magnitude of a place na I am writing m. Magnitude of b place no m. Okay, but to make it as a simpler. Sir, trigonometry na I studied sir. What's that trigonometry? We are not at all using it vector algebra like that you thought na. Here it is available. So 2m square plus 2m square cos alpha, again 2m square minus 2m square cos alpha. Kindly take 2m square common. Get 1 plus cos alpha and 1 minus cos alpha, children. After a long time, satisfaction is cancelling it. Yes, we are cancelling. Then 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. For this 1 mark, children. Then 1 minus cos alpha, you know what should write? 2 cos square alpha by 2. 1 plus cos alpha, 2 cos square alpha by 2. 1 minus cos alpha, 2 sin square alpha by 2. 2 cancel. Cos square theta by sin square theta is cot square theta. So cos square alpha by 2 by sin square alpha by 2 is cot square alpha by 2. Then you know what we're going to do it. We're going to remove the square root by taking square root on both sides. When doing square root, root over cot square alpha by 2 will come. So their square and square root gets cancelled and we are getting cot alpha by 2. So I hope this video will be useful, children. Kindly forward to 12th max students. It will be useful for them. Thank you.